Here we have our roller coaster data again, and you might have noticed that several coasters are missing information. Some are missing one variable, some are missing multiple variables. But you might want to clean your data so that all coasters with missing information are deleted. You can go through and do that manually, but if you have a large data set, that's going to be awful. So here is a way that you can do that. You're going to add an extra column that is going to count how many blank cells occur in each row. So in column P, I have labeled this blanks. I'm going to do count blank and highlight the row. This will count how many blank cells are in that row. I can copy that down for the rest of my data. Okay. You can see that the ones with 0 in this column are the ones that we want. Those are the ones with no missing information. We would like to delete all of the rows that have a value greater than 1. So now I'm going to go to a separate sheet and I'm going to use the query function. So equals query. Now, I need to highlight my data, which is this entire sheet, comma. Now, you're going to type your query. You type select asterisk where p equals 0. I am selecting every row where p, which was the count of the number of blank cells, is equal to 0. And I need that in quotes. Comma 1. This tells me that the first row are the headers. Give it a minute. And now if you look, it has copied all of the rows from the previous sheet where the number of blanks in the row was equal to 0. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but I don't need this blanks column. That's unnecessary. So if I go back to cell A1, I'm going to change this. Instead of putting select asterisk, I can say select columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and N, where P is equal to 0. So I only want columns A through N. And now column P is no longer copied over. You can edit that query to include any columns that you want. If you only need a few of those columns, you can do that as well. But that is an easy way to clean your data.